Hi, welcome. I'm Terry Delavecchia, and this is Tom Chaplin, and we've created a webinar to address job satisfaction or kind of lack thereof. In this intro, we're going to give you a little insight into what we'll discuss and help you with in the full webinar. One of the things you have to understand is you may hate your job and realize that it's time for a change. It's really important that you know that you're not alone. Many people feel that way, and there might be a lot of reasons or just a few reasons you want to change, but are kind of stuck on the next step. You might be motivated, which is why you came here. So you know that there's something you've got to do, and you realize you need some help. So kudos for clicking on our site or end this introduction, because we are here to help. Take it away, Tom.
Absolutely. You've taken the first step, and a lot of people don't even do that. A lot of people just sit there frustrated, sometimes for years before actually doing anything about it, taking any kind of steps.
And that's very sad.
It is, and it's frustrating, and it's not a great place to be. So, questions to ask yourself, and these, of course, are what we'll address in the webinar, but what keeps getting in your way or stopping you, preventing you from moving forward and getting what you want? What is it that keeps coming up? You may some of the common questions that people get stuck on are, they want to know how they can get out of this job and there's no answer, or what will I do instead? And you don't know which direction to turn, or how will I make a transition? That's just, it may seem so daunting at this stage. And another thing, of course, is it even possible to be happy in a job? These are very common concerns that bring people to coaching. So we want to address all these in the webinar so that we can give you some sort of guidance for getting out of your situation, getting into action.
So obviously the answers, as Tom alluded to, are in our video job webinar series. There is a charge for it, and we're sorry about that, but it's pretty reasonable deal, and you'll get some other stuff too. So what we want you to do is click on the link, sign up for the job webinar series, and get all the information you need about getting a different job, job satisfaction, what you can do to get out of the rut that you're in. We'd love to see you over there, and have a great day, and thanks for joining us.